arrival of a new year breathes new life into Beijing, an ancient capital with a long cultural tradition. Elegant masterpieces of ancient architecture nested amidst undulating high-rises, the dignified metropolis of Beijing quietly anticipates the coming of the Spring Festival. Preparations for the Spring Festival begin on the Lava Festival, not only in traditional street delicacies, but also in ancient traditions and customs that have endured through the ages. As the most important of all Chinese festivals, the Spring Festival begins from the 8th day of the 12th lunar month and ends on the 15th day of the new year. Main festive customs include the reunion dinner, Shaoxi, and New Year visits. Deeply rooted in the lives of the Chinese, these cultural traditions have been passed down through the ages. Various traditional culinary techniques embodying Beijingers' unique interpretation of food. Various traditional flavors embody Beijingers' unique experience of life. Filial piety is paramount in Chinese culture, a deeply rooted ancient value in the Chinese heart, a traditional virtue that endures through the ages. A platter of fragrant dumplings, a reunion dinner filled with delicacies, symbolize family reunion, happiness, and bliss. These embody the life philosophies that guide Beijingers. The reunion dinner reflects the cultural precept of harmony, as well as unbridled hopes for a beautiful future. The bells of Chinese New Year's Eve travel the majestic waves of the Grand Canal, from Beijing to the coastal south. The lush waters of the canal link China's provinces through ships that throng the tranquil waterways of the Huai River. Buildings lining the banks are majestic in the north and exquisite in the south. Through winding corridors, poetry touches the heart. Splendor and elegance join as one, tugging at heartstrings amid lingering traditional melodies. Huaiyang cuisine emphasizes the freshness and harmony of flavor, emphasizing the original taste of its ingredients, seeking to endure connoisseurs with subtlety. This is even more strongly reflected in Spring Festival reunion dinners. Braised dishes embody the flavors of the Yangtze, which are preserved through delicate culinary techniques. The Chinese have a deep respect for teachers. Teachers are imparters of knowledge. Respect for teachers is paramount in the learning journey, as is a student's appreciation for his teacher. The people of Huaiyang have preserved this ancient virtue. The rushing flow of the Grand Canal from north to south, the extension of the Silk Road from east to west. An ancient land once parted of the Beiyu Kingdom has endured for a millennium. Guangzhou, a gastronomic paradise where food delights all the senses. A fusion between its long history and unique culture makes spring festivities in Guangzhou a banquet of surprises. Its unique culinary landscape and customs also trap the hearts of visitors. Guangzhou's cuisine uses a wide range of ingredients, which are transformed by skilled chefs into delicacies. It is an enjoyment as well as journey of beauty. Festival fairs in Guangzhou are filled with lanterns and flowers. Tables laden with dishes and red wine are a truly romantic sight. Fragrant dishes symbolize the sweetness of happiness. Let us look to the future, hand in hand. The people of Guangzhou have walked the Silk Road 1,000 miles west to Sichuan. Known as Heaven's Granary, Sichuan is a land of brilliant luminaries and sensational landscapes. Its rich lands are a gift from nature. Its abundance is a result of harmony. Spring festivities in Sichuan are a blazing red. The love of this land for chili peppers is hidden deep in the land. Chili has given much back to this land, finding its way to the dinner tables of ordinary families. Sichuan cuisine is both mellow and spicy, each dish unique in its own way. A product of consummate skill. A cuisine of myriad lingering flavors. The Chinese have long prized personal relationships. While the best way to convey emotions, apart from speech, is an understanding smile. When firecrackers go off and reunion dinners begin, a toast of wine amidst cool breezes and starry skies express love for one's family and friends. From north to south, from east to west, Spring Festival dishes in China symbolize harmony found in familial love and friendship, cultivated between students and teachers, and extending to the far reaches of distant lands, oceans, and horizons.